I'm glad to see everyone on my channel, friends. This video will focus on sending messages in Telegram. Many people write to me and ask how many messages can send one Telegram account in Telegram Kit 2? Everyone who once used message sender software. They will answer this question in different ways, with some accounts sending 10 messages, some with 20. But if we take the Telegram limits and specifically the Telegram Kit 2 program, then this is 40 messages per day. Someone will say, it is little. And will be right, respectively. To send more messages, you need more accounts. 10 accounts is already 400 messages per day. 40 accounts it is 1,600 messages per day. But I want to ask you, those who used other Telegram programs, how many messages did your program send if you work for a long time? Write in the comments to this video your results, how many messages one account sent and how long he works. If you ask me this question, then I will not be able to answer for sure. Because some of my accounts have already sent 400 messages and they are still working. I want to note, works a long time, an indicator of the effectiveness of the software. This is one of my accounts, as you may have noticed some posts have links. The account sends out messages to users' Telegram regularly for several months. Next, I want to demonstrate the function of sending messages in Telegram Kit 2. It is Telegram accounts for sending messages. I will use 15 accounts for demonstration. It is our users list. We collected them in the thematic crypto group. For greater reliability, I will add my username to the list to show how looks our messages for users. This is a pre-prepared list of messages that we will send to our users. To avoid blocking telegrams, we uniqueized one message 20 times and received 20 messages with the same meaning. Our messages list ready. Here I indicate the parameters of how many accounts the program should take 15 and the number of simultaneously working accounts 3. The log section shows the state of the program. At the moment it has launched 3 accounts. The first status is about sent messages appeared in the log section. The program can be monitored in real time. For this you need to activate the instances. This message has been sent to my main account which I previously added to the list. This is how the list of users looks after the program has exited. She wrote the status of each user in column C. As we can see from declared list of 1000 users, Telegram Kit 2 sent out almost 600 messages, used 15 accounts.
Subscribe to the channel, like and write comments. If something does not work out, I will help.